Are you worried about what toilets will be like on your trek and where you'll do your business every day? Then this video is going to answer exactly that. Many trekkers call us really worried about the toilets. Is there going to be water? How is it going to be? Is there going to be privacy? So I want to tell you about the toilet systems at Indiahikes. At Indiahikes, we have what we call bio toilets, which we have designed and evolved over time right from day one of Indiahikes. What I can tell you about this toilet system is that you might go in on the trek with a lot of anxiety and nervousness about what the toilet is going to be like, but by the end of the trek, you're going to be so comfortable that you'll wish you had the same toilets in the cities. There's a reason behind this. There is no sight, no smell, no discomfort of any kind in the Indiahikes bio toilet system. So what exactly are these toilets? These are basically deep pits that are dug into the earth and then they are covered with a plank on which you can squat and do your business. These are dry toilets, which means you don't use water in them, because once you do your business, you use toilet rolls to clean up and you use sawdust to cover up the poop in the pit, and then you come out of the toilet. This is a system we have developed after years and years of experimentation because we need to ensure two things. One is of course the comfort and hygiene for the trekker, but two is also the impact on the environment. So our toilets have always given trekkers a sense of comfort because once you go in, there is no sight or smell of the previous trekker's business inside the toilet. The second thing is, in terms of the impact on the environment, we have been very particular that this human waste degrades quickly. We have experimented with different kinds of toilet systems, but what we have arrived at is these deep toilet pits with sawdust, without water. It decomposes human waste in a jiffy despite the very low temperatures and high altitude lack of oxygen. So all I can tell you is don't worry about the toilets, you will definitely be comfortable. You cannot have a bath, of course, I must tell you that. These are proper toilets. You will have your privacy. There is a tent, there is a zip. You can be away from the campsite a little bit and you will have that comfort, but you cannot have a bath in these toilets. So that's all you need to keep in mind about the toilet systems. If you have any questions, just drop in a comment below and we'll help you out. If you're concerned about any other facilities, you can give us a call on this number over here and we'll be able to help you. If you need anything else, make sure you go through all of our videos. We have many playlists categorized on our YouTube channel. Make sure you hit subscribe and the bell icon next to it as well so that you're aware of any future videos we come up with. That's all from me today. Thank you for watching.